In the last few paragraphs of his article, Nagel discusses the possibility of what he calls a kind of objective phenomenology, a method for describing as clearly and objectively as possible the subjective character of our experience. He seems to think that, even if we will hit a wall eventually, we can do a lot better than we currently do. In particular, he mentions that one might try, for example, to develop concepts that could be used to explain to a person blind from birth what it was like to see. So, I'd like you to give it a shot. First, I'd like you to read the last few paragraphs of Nagel's article, and then, in response to our last question, I'd like you to try to explain, in your own words, what it's like to see, imagining that you're explaining this to a person who has been blind from birth. You can write this playfully, as a dialogue, or straightforwardly, as though you're speaking directly to the blind person. Have fun with it. It's not an easy task. Next week, on to Frank Jackson's seminal article, Epiphenomenal Qualia, which is actually a lot more fun than it sounds. Until then, stay conscious.